How can I type in a code or abbreviation and have text automatically expand? So I got this question when I was visiting a Rocket Matter partner firm recently. The question is that could we have some sort of code system in Rocket Matter so that we could type in a couple letters and have text just automatically fill in? It turns out that there are solutions out there, and there's a whole category of software product called text expanders. The Mac has a couple of options. It has something called Type It For Me, which is what we use here at Rocket Matter. And it also has another program called Text Expander, which is quite popular with a lot of people. Windows has a lot of different options. There's something called Auto Hotkey, which is a free alternative, which is something that I use, but that might be a little bit too engineering-ish for a lot of people. There's also something called Phrase Express, or Breevy. These things work in the following way. You define a set of codes, and the best practice is usually to define these set of codes firm-wide, right? So, for example, RR might be respond and review. So what you do is you enter these abbreviations and the corresponding text into the text expander program. And there's usually a character like a space or a return key or maybe any white space character that will trigger the expansion. So that when you're in the middle of a word, it won't activate, such as my name, Larry. You wouldn't want two R's activating right there. But if it was RR space, then it would activate. Now, this is very useful in any number of programs that you have, whether they're word processing programs or browsers or what have you. Text expanders are designed to work across any number of programs. So when you defined your abbreviations and the long form text, it's designed to work anywhere on your computer. It's also important to note that the iPhone has some of this stuff built in. If you go into your keyboard section, in the settings area of your iPhone, you will see the ability to add shortcuts. This is great. How many times have you had to type in your email address on your iPhone when you're registering for something? I would highly recommend taking a look at text expanders to make your life a little bit easier.